Today's topic for discussion is a practical protocol of algae, and aim of today's practical is study of Rivularia. Rivularia, it is the name of algae. Let us see about the practical. Requirement of the practical is we need the culture of Rivularia. We need dropper, needle, slide, cover slip, blotting paper, watch glass, glycerol and the microscope. These are the requirement of the practical. And in procedure, what we have to do? We have to mount the given algae in a drop of glycerol, and we have to note all the details, and we have to write in the observation. What you have observed under the microscope, that we have to write. Some algal plants are large in size. We can observe it with directly with naked eye, and we can write all the details. Okay. In observation of Rivularia, what we have to write? It is a free floating colonial form. Okay. It is unbranched it has unbranched filaments that occur in mucilaginous substance, and the colonies of Rivularia, they are irregular in size. Colony that consists of hundreds of filaments which are arranged in a specific pattern, that is, all the filament radiate from the center. This is the characteristic feature of the Rivularia. Basal region of the filament is broad, which is gradually turned narrow at the top region. Heterocyst is a nitrogen fixing cell which is situated at the basal region of each filament of Rivularia. Intercalary heterocyst, that means the heterocyst which is present between the cells, between the somatic cells of the filament, that is called intercalary. That position is intercalary position, and the intercalary heterocysts are also present in the filament. Sometimes filaments appear branched due to overlapping of filament. It is called false branching. Cells are typically synophysian, that means they consist of prokaryotic nucleus. Asexual reproduction in Rivularia takes place by formation of akinets and hormogones. Hormogones, these are the small fragments of the parental plant. That is called hormogone, small fragment. Hormogones, they grow into a new thallus in presence of favorable environmental conditions. Sexual reproduction in Rivularia is not known. This is the classification of Rivularia. It is an algae, and division is Cyanophyta. Order is Nostochales. Family Rivulariaceae, and the genus is Rivularia. To the right side, it is a Rivularia photograph.